Hi, I am Debra R. Richardson of Debra R. Richardson LLC, and I work with you to help you clean up your vendor data, clean up your vendor processes so that you pay the right vendor. Now, this week's Vendor Master File tip of the week is helping you avoid those fraudulent emails from departments or government agencies that you don't know if they exist or not. So this is a free resource to verify that that government department or agency is real. And this is going to be a real quick one today. I am going to actually show the website. It's usa.gov. So I'm going to drag this over here. And up at the top here, I expanded the here is how you know that it's an official government website, and they say that it's because the official government websites use .gov. It also says that because there is a lock or HTTPS, which if you double click on the address bar, you'll see the HTTPS. I don't see the lock, but we do know that it has been reported that some fraudulent sites have that HTTPS because it's all in whoever provides it, whether or not they do their appropriate due diligence. And that's not always the case. So it is better to have that HTTPS because if it's missing, now you got a red flag. But even if it is there, you still need to do more due diligence. But those are the two ways that they say the U.S. says you can verify that a government site is official. So speaking of that, fraudsters will quite often send an email and purport to be from a government agency. And how do you know if that is a valid government agency or not? And so that's why I want to bring this up. And so USA.gov, you can go here. And then if you click on about the U.S. and its government, you'll be able to then scroll down on that page to get an A to Z index of the departments and agencies. And there's actually quite a few. It doesn't say how many, but if you click on each of these, there are tons of different departments and agencies that start with each letter. But we're just going to click on I, and you know what I'm going for with the I is the Internal Revenue Service. And just to show you what they have available, so you can click on that and you'll be able to go directly to the website and not the website that is in the email. So first of all, you can tell if it's a valid department or agency because you can search by name here. And then second, even if it is a valid agency or department, you don't have to use the link in the email, which could be fraudulent, send you to a phishing site. You can use the link that is on this website. So I thought I'd share that very quickly today. My grandkids are coming over, so we have to hurry today. They are 4 and 6, so I expect to be tired after 3 hours, but love it when they come over. So I hope this was provided some valuable information for you. Let's move this out of the way and just let you know that if you like more information on how to improve your vendor process, you can go to my website at debrarrichardson.com for free tools and resources to avoid fraud, fines, and just overall bad vendor data. And if you like over 115 or 16 hours of annual training for your vendor team, check out the Vendor Process Training Center at training.debrarrichardson.com. And good luck, and be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified next Tuesday for the next Vendor Master File tip of the week.